Alright, this video is going to be a little different.
First of all, I'm sure most of you didn't know I'm a blacksmith. A friend of mine wanted a Christmas present for her husband, who's a fan of the show Forged in Fire. She wanted a one-of-a-kind, hand-forged ring. So here's how I made it.
I forge most of my own blacksmithing tools, axes and knives, and various other items. Having these blacksmithing skills has proven to be really useful. It's handy for a lot more than wilderness skills and off-grid living. The tools and gifts that I forge are items that will last. They'll be able to be passed down generation to generation.